Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. This is Tim, 71155.net Auto Brokers, the Crypto Maniac 777. We're buying crypto and checking out some alt currencies. We're buying some Davor coin and some sficoin, and there's a big ICO coming out tomorrow at 3 o'clock in the morning. Hedgeconnect. We're going to be up for that one. The coins are coming out for $1. They're giving away free coins. So check us out for that one. It's going to be 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 12 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. They're going to be giving out 5 free coins right now, but the ICO is happening in the morning. So they're going to be selling coins. So you can actually purchase coins for the ICO and take a look at the roadmap and see what the progression of what the coins are going to be doing and how they're released. Should be a good, should be a chance to make some good money. I did my second loan here with Davor coin, or Davor coin, however it's pronounced, Davor coin. And I locked that one in for auto reinvest also. I'm going to do another loan with Davor coin, but I'm not going to auto reinvest it. I'm going to pretty much take the interest out as it's made every 3 months, every 3 to 6 months. I'll probably take the interest out as it's made. So I'll have back my initial investment. So I'm getting about $45 or $50 a month. So after about 3 months, I'll have $150 back. 4 months, I have $200. So then actually it'll be taking me, I think, around 6 months to get my money back. Some of it's going to be auto invested, some of it's not going to be auto invested. Like I said, these 2 loans are going to be auto invested, and I may do 2 more for $100 that aren't auto invested. I'm just trying to find out exactly how to proceed, the best way to proceed. I did some lending with hashflare also. The interest is okay. It dips sometimes to that 0.8, 0.86, 0.81, and 0.80 for the last 5 days. It's only had 2 days above 1% in the last 5 days. I had some pretty good interest when it first came out. I don't know if I'm going to buy any more extra coin. I'm just going to kind of let my interest kind of buy my extra coin. And it depends on how expensive they get. If I could buy a couple more at like $5 or $6, under $10, because I bought my first ones at $10, $20. You can see my first coins I bought. I paid over $20 for them because I only loaned 5 coins at roughly $20.06 a coin. So I caught them before the site went down. So I didn't even loan 5 whole coins. It's close to 5 coins. And I have 210 days to go on my loan. So next week, the end of the month, I have 200 days. No, the end of the month I have 209 days because today is the 19th. And it's going on to the 20th. I'm still reading the 19th. Okay. Also, we are into sficoin. It's a numiv coin. The numiv coin site is not acting. It's not acting right whatsoever. Sficoin is going to start their auto lending, and they're going to start their lending and their payouts on the 21st, which is Sunday. So that'll be good. We bought a couple of those, 54 coins, when they were 90 cents a coin. They're supposed to be being sold on the coin exchange. What does it say? Coin exchange? I think they're being sold on coin exchange. IO. So I don't have the internet connection. I know I have an internet connection. Oh, okay. My internet is janky right now. Okay, there we go. Now we're back. Okay, here's the announcement from SFI. Team SFI wishes you all a successful and glorious Happy New Year. Let the coming year be a glorious one that rewards all your future endeavors with success. As a part of our family, we wish to progress hand in hand with you at a rapid pace. We wish you all the success today and always. We take immense pleasure in announcing the list of SFI coins on TradeSatoshi.com. We already processed for listings in another exchange also. It must be noted, the lending bonus and affiliate bonus will be credited by our individual account from 21st January 2018. We, the SFI team, is very happy to announce that the auto lending of SFI is started with $1 US. We look forward to a successful relationship in the future. Let us be successful together. Let's be successful together. Not let us. It says less. Contraction. So, it's SFI coin. You can't actually buy any coins anymore. The ICO is over. The Bitcoin address is not even available. You can't even send Bitcoin. can't send Bitcoin, or you can't. Or you can send Bitcoin. Let me see what they say. Okay. SFI coin is having some problems. Let's say right there. I don't let you send money off the system either.